Hello, I'm Stephan, San Diego County District Attorney. Thank you for joining me for this week's DA News. I want to tell you about a great consumer protection civil settlement that our team got on behalf of San Diegans and on behalf of community members across the state. And it is regarding Vivint Solar. This is a solar company that was doing things that were not appropriate, that harmed the consumers, and we pursued, along with other state district attorney offices, an action which is a consumer protection action that we pursued civilly. I want to thank the team, especially Colleen Huchka, our prosecutor, who's an expert in consumer protection, that handled the case, for her hard work. What's exciting about the case is that as part of the agreement, Vivint Solar agreed to set up a $3 million fund that is there for consumers that have claims of where they can recover some monies from this $3 million. This is part of a consumer protection division that has been fighting for our community every day in terms of environmental safety, in terms of not getting price gouged, in terms of abusive loan recovery schemes, and many other hazards that we fight for every day through the consumer protection. Now, consumer protection is a little bit different than the robberies, burglaries, and murders that we handle every day. It requires a special expertise of prosecutors, investigators, analysts, and a team that puts together cases depending on the level of harm, whether they're criminal or whether they're civil. We go after shady contractors that defraud older people by promising the moon and the stars in terms of their contracts, their renovations, and then they take the money and they run. Those are criminal actions. We bring actions with regard to, for example, automatic renewals. You know, those are things that we hear from the consumers that drive them crazy, where the company does not alert the consumers clearly about the automatic renewal, and the money keeps going out of their account. We've brought actions against Apple, Tesla, major corporations, especially when it comes to environmental hazards that affect the health of everybody. If you have a case, a consumer protection case, something that you think is just not right, please reach out to the DA's office and look for the number and the email on your screen, because your reports are really what get our investigations started so that we can protect you. Just remember, we are here for you. Reach out if there's anything we can do to help you, and I'll talk to you next week.